Stop by and take a look at the 2018 Focus. Focus has more cool tech, more of what you're looking for. From any point of view, more than meets the eye, and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, brake assist, fog lights, power moonroof, four-wheel disc brakes, heated steering wheel, low tire pressure warning, power windows, power steering, tachometer. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.